Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublaya pi baro kini kilong ki khubor nta kasni. Ka Mallangkona kasnong kabadon mar khappud ka Assam kasnong kabajumi baha kajingyakan an namar kajingwan pen ibor jong kinong Assam hakipor banlitno kabala misha kajingkul mar kabashirkai. Menta kalayo jingshngain jingiada lingba kajingpli yak building bathamai jong ka Mallangkona Police Outpost West Khasi Hills District. Ya kate ka Mallangkona Police Outpost West Khasi Hills rapli da u Conrad ki sangma u menteri rang ba kajala manha karhuai tarik ujaliu ha kajidan lang ba prestun tensong u menteri katat kampo ying jong ka sarkar MDA u Conrad ki sangma ha ba jingkran sya ki paidbah nong song ka Mallangkona ulong ba kilayo ya kajingshngain bajingada namar kamat jong ka sarkar MDA Kajing don jong ka police station kadai kajingada ya ki than khappud kijing tai katanat pulen ha ki jaka ki bajumi bha ki huri hura hakaleng jala khnang banla petikana ya kajingada ya la ki jong kinong song ya thu Conrad ki sangma u menteri rang badu u yathu ba ka Mallangkona Police Outpost ka bathamai atai lingba ka Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund PIRF kabal ai menta syabaro ki Superintendent of Police bekindon ya kapisa ha kaban penun kam ha kajing maramat u Superintendent of Police ka West Khasi Hills u Bikram sangma ula pentip ba kini ka Police Outpost kadai ka blaseng na duus nam araza khat khanai ya kini ka building latai ha ka jinglot ka bakot sya ka khatnyo point sanlang na ka Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund PIRF scheme hasnong Mallangkona kabahap hapo ka Motion Road Civil Subdivision.
Okay, and you? One, you will wait, go. Sir, closer. 1, 2, and 3. Good. How many rooms you got? 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms. 2. Already you got this is over. Huh? So many already, the file is so much already. So we are here in Mallangkona today, and as you've seen, we have just inaugurated the new building of the Mallangkona outpost, and this has been a very long pending demand of the people out here. And there are two things I would like to specifically mention about this. Number one is that this is a very strong message and a symbol that safety and security of our people is important, and that's why we have all come here to be part of this program. And we want to show that it won't be just here, but in all the different parts of the state, wherever such critical locations are there, we will ensure that sufficient infrastructure and manpower is provided in different locations. Number two, we also would like to state that this building was made through the PIRF fund, which is now made available to the SPs to have a flexible fund where they can utilize it to repair new constructions at their own district level without taking any approval from the state or from the government. And this has enabled this particular building to come up. But the beauty of this building is that while the money came for the materials and all from here, the people of this village have contributed as manpower, laborers. They came and worked themselves. Some even contributed by giving building materials out here. Even the SP and the DC at the personal level have come in and monitored things. So this is a very good and great example of the society coming together and sending a very strong message to the state. So I would encourage that other locations also, when there's such type of projects come up, if the community can be part of the project, it sends a very, very strong message. So I congratulate our Honorable Deputy CM in charge Home Police and all the officials who have made this project a success. Thank you very much.